Hi, my name is Chris Mitchell. I'm the founder of Bitcoin Advisors, and if you are watching this video, we've probably been in touch in the last few months and talked about taking a position in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. And I wanted to bring you this video because I think something very, very important has just happened. And what we do is trade based off of technical analysis. So we're like a Bitcoin coach, here to coach you when it could be a good time to buy. More importantly, if it's ever time to sell and take a profit. Now, we have identified a macro low has been put in, and we've been talking about for some time. There are three things we needed to see to identify a macro low being put in. And the first thing is a higher low on the daily time frame. And how do we identify that? Well, very simple here. We've got Bitcoin, which was trading in a range between 30 and 40,000, and we did say if we broke Bitcoin to the upside above 39,000, very likely to take a stab up towards 50,000. But that being said, we made our first higher high there, right? We took out that high, got a higher high, and here's our first higher low. So we got a trend reversal on the daily. The second thing we wanted to see was our volatility indicator get to around 80%, which we did see back here on August 21st. Funny, a lot of things happened August 21st. And the third thing we wanted to see was the blue buy signal on the hash ribbons indicator, which we have had here. And every time we've seen a capitulation signal, which we did see, there has never been new all-time highs printed on Bitcoin. I repeat, never, ever, ever in the history of Bitcoin has there ever been a new all-time high printed before this indicator flashed a blue buy signal. And you can see this for yourself. You can go and backdate it. But we did get the blue buy signal on August 7th. Now, we have all the things in a recipe for a macro low to be put in. And you know, the only way this idea gets destroyed is if Bitcoin closes a daily below 38,000. So never in the history of Bitcoin have we gotten a blue buy signal and then the price come back and broke the last daily higher low, which was at 38,000. So there's another indicator we look at. It's called the green 55 and the purple 200. We got an exponential and a simple moving average. So the 55 and the 200, known as the golden cross and the death cross, which I'm going to throw back on here so you can see it. And I'm going to take a few of these babies off so you can see that. Bear with me just a second. And boom. So last time we got a golden cross on the daily time frame. I'll just show you back here. This golden cross Bitcoin was at 8,000. It ran straight to 60,000. It was a 580% gain. Not bad. Another golden cross here. Bitcoin goes from 5,000 to 13,000. The golden cross, one of my favorites, is the 2015 golden cross. Bitcoin goes from about $267 to $20,000. And then we had the first baby golden cross was when Bitcoin was $5. It ran to $1,100, and you can go and back check that yourself. I'll show if you really want to see it. Bitcoin was at $5. The very first golden cross at $5. Bitcoin ran to $1,100. So bottom line is, how would I be manage my risk on a macro investment at this point? You know, I could buy Bitcoin at 50,000. I mean, I'd probably wait till 44 or 45 with a downside risk of 38,000, which is a 20 to 25% loss. So in an asset that's done 200% a year, every year, for the last decade, I'll personally take those odds. Why? Where else can you get that kind of return, right? And Bitcoin's market cap is still so small in compared to traditional markets. I think we still have a lot of room to go with rumors of a Bitcoin ETF coming towards the end of the year. I think there's probably rumor of $4 or $5 trillion of institutional money just waiting for the ETF. So when people talk about, $250,000 Bitcoin, $300,000 Bitcoin, when you look at some of these indicators and the prior past results that we've seen on the golden cross and the blue buy signal, some of those targets don't look too outlandish. But again, I wanted to get this important video out to you and to all my clients, because I think this is something very important to be keeping an eye on. I hope we can earn your business. Have yourself a blessed day and take care.